you pretty when you were little?
I've no memories of life before the end of the war. The first 7 years left only nightmares. Train cars, smokestacks, soldiers, gunshots. Somehow I survived. An exhausted, hungry little girl, all alone in the world. I traveled by ship to my new homeland. Blue skies, calm seas, sunlight, warm breeze. First sight of the land. We were careful, avoiding the British patrols. Jewish brigade snuck us past their blockade. I cried tears of joy when we stepped on the sand, and a caramel-skinned boy held out his hand, and he gave me an orange.
An orange?
Yes, my very first orange. Thick outer skin, sweetness within, the world in my hand, a gift from this land, the land of our fathers' fathers, Abraham's land. Soon we were planting orange groves, such joy did I feel as we cleared each stone. Safe in my lovely orange grove.
Orange grove.
At last a place to call home. I still think of the boy who gave me that orange. We weren't the first to be tilling this soil.
A first memory has stayed with me. I was 2 or 3. My grandfather held me on his shoulders. Blue sky, green leaves, sweet smells, soft breeze, gazing at the trees. And he gave me an orange.
An orange?
Yes, Ismail, my very first orange. Thick outer skin, sweetness within, the world in my hand, a gift from this land, the land of our fathers' fathers, Ibrahim's land. These are your family's orange groves. My grandfather told me I cleared each stone. Remember your family's orange groves. Do not forget.
This is home.
This was home. That night I awoke to the sound of gunfire, warplanes. My mother scooped me out of bed. No time to pack. There were still dirty dishes in the sink. We would be safe in Gaza, my parents said. And when the fighting was over, we would return. But there was no return. What they call their war of independence, we call El-Nakba, the catastrophe. We are victims of theft.
We've been blessed with a gift.
Without roots in the land.
Without roots in the land. We are lost and adrift.
He gave me an orange, my very first orange. Thick out the skin, sweetness within, the world in my hand, a gift from this land, the land of our fathers' fathers, Abraham's land. Never forget, this is home.